This right here, this is what it looks like when you're got 50 foot of power cord, but you're still not quite close enough to that 50 amp. And it's your first time backing it up after you've dropped it off. Do you ever wonder what it looks like when two men that have no idea how to move a fifth well, let alone precisely put it exactly where they want, are trying to figure out how to do it? This is what it looks like. Two men that have no idea what they're doing. More common than you'd think. Now, when I get into the truck, I don't do a single thing that we talk about, and let's see what the result looks like.
Oh. Stop!
Now, I can't hear, but that was a warning. You can't see it, but there is plant that I about ran over.
Uh-huh. Less than ideal.
My niece is telling us that we are about to destroy the plant. So here we have to get out and check if it's actually going to fit. Now, I'm not sure if it was luck or skill. Probably more luck than skill. But we managed to actually get the cord to fit by slowly moving it towards the house. Hurrah!
Hey, Rich, the ladder I think is going to come down right on that bush.
Now I heard her. Now I'm not sure if I was checking or trying to prove her wrong, but I think it's going to work. So I check. On the side. Now, my brother laughed in agreement. But do you actually think after I level it, it's still not going to be in the bush? Let's find out. So my wife kindly takes a good look at all of our effort, and as she walks up, it's finally being leveled. And take a look at the ladder. We'll give you a close-up here in a second, but it ended up in the bush. Our makeshift wheel stops for the time being because we just picked it up and don't have the proper one. Amazon, still waiting on you. Overall, we are where we need to be. Unit leveled, and the ladder, well, we'll take a close-up in a sec. But we're finally getting disconnected and ready to rock and roll. And, as for that bush, well, we ended up right in the middle of the bush. Wife was right, I was wrong. Should be used to that after 20 years.